You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this English football player. If you want to learn more confusing names from football, soccer that are confusing and many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as Noni Madueke. Let's break it down. The pronunciation in English: Noni Madueke. How to pronounce Noni Madueke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.